Alrighty guys, we're getting ready to head out. We're going to be going fishing at the walks today. Same place we've been fishing. Been fishing this place a lot because it's really the only place for fish are biting, so we might as well just fish it. So Casey's up to our house right now getting a pop. So we're going to get ready to go here. Waiting in the truck. Nightcrawlers, that's what we're using. Oh, dropped it. Oh well, I'm gonna get it. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you do, hit that like button and subscribe, and appreciate that stuff. The wall, it's moving a little bit slower than it was yesterday. So, I might be able to catch some today. Got him! He wrapped around my line. Might as well just throw it. Is it? Nice one? Just ain't bad. Of course it's a drum. It's the only thing we catch.
Well, I've been here. I don't know if we're getting ready to spawn or what.
Yeah. Oh my god! Getting on this gas. Oh yeah, drum. Yes sir. Drum. That's all we catch. Oh, you won't quit flopping. Alright, chill out, bud. Chill out, bud. Alright, gonna get the hook out of him. Just gave up. Oh, there it goes again. Nice drum. Nice drum. Let's let him. I don't know. Hey, I think he's netter. No? Hey, that one fall hard though, dude. Huh? Pull him up. Hopefully this 10-pound test don't break. Oh yeah. Pulled them up the net all day over Gray's Landing. Hooked him pretty good. right on top of the lip. That ain't a bad drum. Like 2 pounds, 2.5. There he goes. This one's just a little walleye, sauger. Oh, yep, sauger, saw guy. Is that what it is? Oh. Son of a bitch. Gotta quit talking. This little baby. Got a little tooth there. Toss him back. Strip. Alrighty guys, we're gonna head home. We got like 4 or 5 today, I think, yeah. Either one of them, I don't know. But we did pretty good. Water's slowing down. If we could get no rain for another day, that lock right there might be off in 1/2 crank. Yep, get the boat out. Sick of fishing here.